Good morning, children. Hope that you all are fine with your parents in your homes, and you must be obeying the instructions given by our worthy Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and our principal sir and our HM ma'am. Children, in EVS we are doing chapter 2, the plant fairy. And in this lesson, we all are learning about the different plants. So, first of all, you should know what is a plant. Children, see, what is this? This is a plant. Today, our topic is the parts of the plant. So, today I will tell you different parts of the plant. First, see this plant. Look at this part of the plant. This part of the plant is under the soil. It is called root. R-O-O-T root. R-O-O-T root. This is root. This part of the plant is under the soil. And its function is, इसका काम क्या है? It holds the plant firmly into the soil. ये पौधे को मिट्टी में जकड़े रहता है. And it also absorbs water and minerals from the soil and give it to the stem. Second part of the plant is above the soil. This is called stem. What is this called? This is called stem. Now look at this plant. In this plant, this is stem. This stem holds branches. These are branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits also. So this part of the plant is leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. This part of the plant is leaf, and it prepares food for the plant. What does it prepare? It prepares food for the plant. And these white color, this is the colored part of the plant. This is flower. What is this? This is flower. All these are flowers. And this is bud. B-U-D, bud. कली जिससे फूल बनता है. This is bud. B-U-D, bud. Now, these are branches. These are branches. Look here. These are branches. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. So, how many parts of the plant you see here? First, R-O-O-T root, R-O-O-T root. Number 2, S-T-E-M, stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Then B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. This is branch जिसमें leaves लगी हैं, bud लगी हुई है. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. And L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. और जब बहुत सारी लीफ होती हैं तो उनको हम कहते हैं leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. And this is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And children, in this plant, there is no fruit. Fruit is also an important part of the plant, and it carries seeds in it. Thank you.